Hey, I don't know your story completely. I don't know what you've lost, how many times you've cried silently, or how many nights you've laid awake hoping the pain would just pause. But I do know this: you're still here, and that matters more than you think. You've walked through storms no one saw. You've smiled through heartbreaks no one heard. You've stood up when your knees wanted to collapse. You have a quiet kind of strength, the kind that doesn't shout but survives, and that is courage. Maybe you're tired of hearing things like, "it gets better." Maybe you've been strong for so long you're just tired. Tired of holding everything together. Tired of pretending you're okay. So I want to tell you something different. It's okay not to be okay. It's okay to break, to cry, to take a breath and say, "I can't do it all right now." You are not weak for feeling. You are not lost for needing time. Healing isn't a straight line. It's messy, it's slow, and it's deeply personal. But even now, in your most broken form, you are still worthy. Worthy of love, worthy of peace, worthy of a second chance. The version of you who kept going when no one was watching. They deserve everything good that's coming. That quiet voice inside you, the one that whispers, "maybe tomorrow I'll feel a little better." That voice is still alive. That hope is still breathing. You're not starting over. You're starting wiser, stronger, softer, and more real than ever before. Imagine a tree in the middle of winter. It looks bare, lifeless, forgotten, but deep beneath the surface, it's preparing for spring, for growth, for bloom. That's you right now. You don't need to have all the answers today. You just need to take the next breath, one step, one small choice toward yourself. You are allowed to dream again, to rest, to rebuild, to say, "This time I choose me." And when you look back, you won't remember every detail of the pain. You'll remember how you didn't give up. You'll remember that even at your lowest, you were rising. So if you needed a sign, here it is. You are not broken beyond repair. You're just in the middle of becoming someone even more beautiful. And I'm proud of you even if we've never met.